Can flashcards really help you beat the forgetting curve? Imagine trying to remember a new fact, but it slips away just hours after you learn it. That's the forgetting curve at work, showing how quickly our memory fades without review. But what if there was a way to slow that decline and make your learning stick? Well, flashcards might be just what you need. When used properly, they are one of the most effective tools for fighting the natural decline of memory over time. The key is understanding how the forgetting curve works. It shows that most forgetting happens within the first 24 hours after learning. Without review, you can lose a lot of what you just learned very quickly. But each time you review the material at the right moment, your brain strengthens the memory. This makes the next forgetting process slower. Over time, the curve flattens out, meaning you retain information longer and longer. Flashcards help by encouraging active recall. Instead of passively reading notes, you try to remember the answer before flipping the card. This active effort makes your neural pathways stronger. When you combine flashcards with spaced repetition, reviewing cards at increasing intervals, you get even better results. Studies show that spaced repetition can boost retention by 15% compared to cramming everything at once. In real life, students using flashcards with spaced repetition remember more. Medical students, for example, see a 35% boost in long-term retention. Language learners learn vocabulary faster and keep it longer. Professionals who use flashcards to learn new skills often remember 2.5 times more information after 6 months. For medical students studying anatomy, those who used spaced repetition scored about 10 points higher on tests. The secret is reviewing at the right times. Modern flashcard apps use algorithms to decide when you should see each card again. The first review might be on the same day you learn it, then after a few days, then weeks, and even years later. As you get better at recalling, the intervals grow longer. This way, you keep reinforcing the memory just before it's about to fade. Everyone's forgetting curve is a little different. Factors like sleep, stress, and prior knowledge influence how fast you forget. That's why personalized flashcard systems are so helpful. They analyze your performance and adjust the review schedule to suit your needs. This makes your study time more efficient and effective. To get the most from flashcards, focus on quality over quantity. Create decks of related facts or concepts, and include images or cues that help you remember. When reviewing, say the answer out loud before flipping the card. If you struggle to recall, put that card at the bottom of the pile and review it more often. Keep practicing until you can recall the answer easily. So, can flashcards really help you beat the forgetting curve? Absolutely. When you use them with spaced repetition and active recall, they turn short-term memory into long-lasting knowledge. Just 30 minutes a day can help you remember thousands of facts with high accuracy over months. The forgetting curve isn't your enemy. It's a natural process you can manage with the right tools.